Does financial advice got you snoring? Yeah, me too. Forget the boring experts and their one-size-fits-all nonsense. We're here to talk about real wealth building, which lets you laugh in the face of inflation and a messed up market. Rate cuts? Who needs them? We're gonna outsmart this whole rigged system. Today we'll crack the code on inflation, we'll expose the Fed's little games, and I'll equip you with the tools you need to make your money work for you. So this ain't your grandpa's investment guide. We're all about bold moves, unconventional thinking, and building that financial fortress that thrives even when the whole world is on fire. The first thing we gotta talk about is inflation. And to me, it's kind of like that annoying house guest that you have over when you want to leave, but they just don't want to leave. I know everybody's had those hanger owners where you're just like, ooh, I'm getting tired, and they still there. I know you can go back and think about last month when you filled up that car and you almost choked at the price, or grabbed a couple things at the grocery store and walked out feeling like you just got robbed. Well, that's inflation in action. The CPI clocked in at 3.5% last month and 4.2% for the whole year. That's not just interesting, that's money actually disappearing from your wallet. I know Jerome Powell and his crew, they all love pretending to be heroes, messing with rates to control inflation, but here's the truth. Their fancy models and policies are a joke. We gotta play our own game if we're trying to break those financial generational curses. Inflation's a plane, I know, but here's the beauty. Savvy investors like us can use it kind of to our advantage. We're talking about finding investments that outperform those rising price tags and assets that thrive in chaos. That's why I love creating these videos, because knowledge is power. Let's jump in to talk about those job markets from earlier this week as well. The job market's still hot, and unemployment's down to 3.8%. That's great for job seekers and all, but hold on 1 minute. A tight job market means the feds might hesitate to loosen those interest rates. Why? Well, when companies keep hiring, it can push wages up, and guess what? That fuels more inflation, because when y'all make more money, y'all go out buying more stuff. If you're watching this channel, you're probably a little bit more proactive, and you're not gonna sit back and end up like our homeboy, Jeff. Remember Jeff, the guy with 2 little kids, always taking on a fixer-upper here's? Well, last year he got laid off, and poof, just like that, months go by and finally he lands a new gig, but that pays a joke compared to what he was making before. Now he's juggling credit cards, praying the car doesn't break down. That makes you wonder, could that happen to me? Even if I'm doing everything right? Because remember, it's not about doing everything right. Jeff could have been doing everything right, paying his bills on time, showing up to work, and working hard. Working hard is not enough. Working smart and looking for those opportunities and jobs that align with your desired lifestyle is what you have to do. Just because those job market is hot doesn't mean that those wages are going to be able to keep up with inflation, and you might still be struggling to pay bills and end up just like our homeboy Jeff. But if you get your hustle on and you got those leveled up skills that are in demand for these hot jobs, maybe you can negotiate a raise or explore some better opportunities or leverage that side hustle and let the market work for you, not against you. You can't stay stagnant though. You got to keep moving. You got to keep upskilling. Now let's look at some of these terms that the Fed likes to use, like hawkish and data driven. What that really means is that they're ready to get tough with rates until inflation kind of chills out. So don't let them control the narrative. Get educated right now. Don't wait on their next move. Your weapon against all of this is understanding the different type of investments and how to react to economic shifts and rotations. We ain't here to play games. Forget the boring mutual funds and tired advice. We're talking about uncovering hidden opportunities and strategies most experts wouldn't even dare to touch. That's what I'm here to teach you. But what all this really means is those rate cuts that everybody's hoping for, and while the market keeps going up and down like a roller coaster, and you see technology and consumer discretionary outperforming, I don't think we may not get them, at least in these first couple quarters. It may be end of the year. We don't know, but we got to be adaptable and educated and understand what's happening. Volatility in the market can actually create some amazing opportunities for those of us who are paying attention and are ready to take those calculated risks and not go with reckless bets. We got to think long term, right? We're not here for get rich quick schemes, but that doesn't mean we can't capitalize on short-term trends. It's all about finding the right balance and strategic moves that help you build that long-term wealth. That's what we're all about. We ain't getting caught up in crypto like we did in the past. But that's the lowdown on sidestepping all the inflation pitfalls and making those Fed headaches work in our favor. It's all in the game, and we're gearing up to win it. If we're armed with knowledge and we're refusing to play by the worn out rules and not following people that are telling us what to buy, but actually learning how to fish ourselves, We're all about breaking barriers and not just breaking even. It's time to ditch the financial fairy tales and forge our path to prosperity. With each step, we're moving one step closer from broke to breakthrough, proving all those naysayers wrong every single day. If you want more insights on flipping the script on your finances, stick with me. Up next, I got videos that are gonna push the envelope even further. No spoilers, but trust me, you don't wanna miss them. Just point your eyes right up there after this video and don't forget to subscribe and hit this notification bell. Together, we're on a mission to tear down financial generational curses one video at a time. Your journey from broke to breakthrough starts with believing it's possible. Let's do this thing.